Chainsaw Couch Massacre. Take one.
Hello, children. This is just a little lesson here about playing with chainsaws inside the house. Not a good idea. This is our unnamed friend over here. It's called Buster. It's just for namesake. But Buster didn't make it, and chainsaws are not a toy. Do not play with toys inside the house. Dude, that couch is so big. How in the hell are we going to get this thing out of the basement? Look at that door over there.
Man.
There's no way in hell it's going to fit out of there. Hey, why don't we call that moving company? What's their name again?
Isn't it Two Guys and a Saw?
Yeah.
What?
I heard about Dim Guys. It's great.
Is your couch too big? Is your door too small? Call Two Guys and a Saw. They do it all.
Let's see what happens with the chainsaw. That'll fit through the door, no problem. Now.
I think that'll fit just about there.
All right, call this one done.